Alam nyo ba na may bagong private resort dito sa Canton City na pet-friendly at pwede nyo ma-enjoy as low as 8,000 pesos? Good for 20 to 30 packs na. Yes, dito nga yan sa Villa Mercedes Private Resort. Located sa Diversion Road, Barangay Ayudante, Canton City, Ilocos Sur. Along the highway nga ito at malapit sa Shakey's at Farmers Market. Kaya sigurado hindi ka mahahassle sa pagpunta. You can also search it sa Waze app at Google Map. Malawak ang parking area at kaya i-accommodate up to 8 cars. Mga mahilig mag-out of town travel, less than 1.5 hours away lang ito from San Juan, La Union, and going to Vigan. At guys, sobrang magaganda talaga kayo sa resort na ito. Bago ko nga i-share ang full rates, itour ko muna kayo sa loob ng Villa Mercedes Private Resort. This is the function hall kung saan narito ang entertainment area. Bali Indonesia vibes nga ito with a very aesthetic sliding glass wall. Super na-enjoy ng mga guests yung high quality sound system, mic and video okay dito. At nga, super late night na sila nakakaswimming kasi di makabitaw sa mic. So kung ayaw nyo na mapaos, huwag nyo na subukan gamitin ang video okay dito. Aside from video okay, meron din itong Wi-Fi, Smart TV at Netflix. Nandito din ang dining area at kitchen. Pwede kayo magluto dito without extra fee. Merong refrigerator, stove, multi-cooker, oven at kompleto with pots, pans at cooking utensils. Provided na din dito ang mineral drinking water. This area can be converted to an event, training, or convention hall and can comfortably accommodate 50 guests. Sobrang ganda, di ba? Sa rooms naman, it has 4 bedrooms. Yung 2 rooms has a queen-size bed and pull-out double-size bed. Fully air-conditioned nga ito, meron din Wi-Fi, Smart TV, at Netflix. Kaya perfect for movie marathon. Each room has its own bathroom, kaya super convenient. This room can comfortably fit 5 packs. This room has 2 double-size beds. This is good for 4 packs naman. And this one is the family room. Meron itong double-sized bed and double-sized bunk bed. Perfect for family or barkada group of 5. At ito naman yung napakagandang swimming pool. Na-amaze talaga ang mga guests with its crystal clear water. Swimming pool is divided into 2. Meron 2 feet deep para sa mga kids. The other side is for adult and kids at heart. Meron nga itong lalim na 3 to 5 feet. Meron din itong deck area na masarap tambayan sa gabi. Ito, best din area na ito sa mga gustong tamang kwento and tampisaw sa poolside. Meron din outdoor shower area right after the deck. O diba, sobrang ganda talaga dito sa Villa Mercedes Private Resort. Ito nga pala ang full rates for reference. Kung gusto nyo nga mag-book at mag-inquire, pwede kayo mag-message dito sa Facebook page. So ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang. See you soon at Villa Mercedes Private Resort.